Dito maganda doon. Tara.
Mapupo Feze.
Our first stop in the world renewed Puerto Princesa Underground River. Located inside the Puerto Princesa Saberdra-Ramin River National Park. This natural wonder is recognized as one of the new 7 wonders of nature, is proud UNESCO World Heritage Site. As you enter the cave system, you be greeted by the sound of dripping water, cool, fresh air, and the sight of stunning limestone formation. And took millions of years to form the river mountain, making it one of the longest navigable underground rivers in the world.
Is El Nido, famous for crystal clear water, limestone caves, and white sand beaches, known worldwide as one of the best island destinations. Top activity is island hopping around Bacolod Bay. Popular spot is big lagoons, small lagoon, and secret beach. Great for snorkeling and diving, rich coral reefs, and marine life. Lively town with restaurant, shops, and friendly locals.
Experience is peacefully mysterious and incredible.
Diba? Solid tong Palawan mga pare. Kaya nga eh. Ang laki ng mga puno. Lalo na dun oh. Sabitan ng duyan.
Hindi na pa tayo lahat ng laad ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Gutom na ako. Kain tayo. Sagot ko na.
Ikaw ba yan?
Oo, totoo yan.
Yun!
Oo, kain
Hindi
tayo.
pwede. Hindi pwede.
Hindi na alam eh.
Ito magaganda. Tara.
Milok, famous Palawan delicacy. Looks like a worm but is actually a wood-boring mollusk from mangroves. Usually eaten kilawan, style vinegar, onions, calamansi, chills. Tastes like fresh oyster, soap smooth, slightly, and salty. Nido soup, luxurious dish made from sweetlet, bird's edible nest, and smooth, silky texture with mild rice flavor. Seen as a special dish believed to have health benefits. Alato, sea grapes, salad, known as seaweed found in Palawan clean waters. Looks like a tiny green grapes, but serves as a simple salad with vinegar, tomatoes, and onions. Fresh, salty, and healthy, a common local favorite. Shows a Palawan strong connection to the sea.
Pagdiwata ritual is a sacred ceremony of Tagbanwa people. It gives thanks, asks for healing, and seeks for blessings from ancestral spirits. Includes offering, chants, and dances showing strong spiritual nature connection. 2. Tarek dance. Traditional dance of Palawan tribe performed in important gatherings. Ritual and movement symbolize respect, unity, and ancestral stories. Nito and rattan weaving. Traditional craft using natural vines, create basket, trays, hats, and bags with detailed pattern shows the community's creativity, patience, and craftsmanship.